Hi guys! I'm having preparation letter from my oysters. Ilagay ko siya sa fridge guys. Kasi frozen pa siya. This is my preparation for later on. We having oysters. Malaki siya guys. Very massive. Look at the massive oysters. Huge. $35. One dozen. Nilagyan ko siya ng pinakurat na vinegar galing sa Pilipinas. Tapos ilagay ko siya sa fridge guys. Then madidipros na to siya later on. Galing namin sa church. Mag-church muna kami. Tapos pag uwi namin, kakain kami. Then Christmas Day, we're going to my mother-in-law's. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.